I'm on such a high after having done my all-time favourite half wig that I thought I'd just bring you another couple of reviews because I'm really feeling it right now. The wig I have for you here is the Hanna wig by Sleek Wig Fashion. It's a synthetic haired wig, not tongleable. It's a traditionally made cap. There's nothing special on here. This is the edge. It has a drawstring, no combs. You're definitely going to need a wig grip. This is what the stock card looks like. It says Sleek Wig Fashion, light and airy, trendy and fashionable, cutting edge style, instant beauty solution. So, are we going to get instant beauty solution? Here goes nothing. Now I don't have the drawstrings on any of the loops, so it's on the biggest possible setting and it's quite snug fit. Does she look like the stock card? Yes, I'd say she does. I really like the shape of this one. The hair texture is not too coarse. I don't want it to get too big, so I'm not going to work the curls out. There you are. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Tell me what you think below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's move on to the next one I have for you while I'm still on a high.